औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आपका इंस्ट्रक्टर मोहम्मद शहजाद आप सबको अस्सलाम वालेकुम कहता है। Your instructor Muhammad Shahzad greeting you Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent to us, most merciful to us, and who is the creator of all the creatures, uh, Allah is who has created this earth, and Allah is who has created this sky, and Allah is who has created all the planets, all the things, all the living beings, all the non-living beings. Allah is the creator. Allah is who? Allah is the creator. Okay, with this, I do welcome all of my students of the civil engineering department who are right now with me, having their online lab with me. And these students are from the civil engineering department of the University of Lahore. Section E is right now with me, having their online lecture. And what is special for the day is, and it is to be announced over here, I will tell you what is a mock exam is there, or an online viva is there. Just giving you an example of the mock exam of just like a real online exam. All right. Today I have planned for you people to be there with me online in the mock exam, and I am inviting right now Mr. Muhammad Zubair. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Muhammad Zubair.
वालेकुम सलाम सर, क्या हाल चाल है सर?
I'm fine. What about you, my dear?
Sir, I am also fine, sir.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
I do connect other students over here, and Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. This student is from Palestine. I welcome him, greeting him. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, sir.
How are you? Where had you been, yaar? You had been lost in the world where you wanted to be.
No, sir, I'm just here.
You were just here. Just tell me one thing. Acknowledge me. Did you visit my YouTube channel and watch my latest online lectures and mock exam over there?
Sir, can you repeat? I didn't get what you said.
Oh, my dear, I have uploaded my online lectures on the YouTube as well. Have you watched my online
lectures? I have seen them in the group.
Okay, all right. And now I do begin a mock exam and assessment over here. And you will be a part over here. All right. Mr. Yes. Ibrahim Bilal, you are from Palestine. Okay, our Muslim brother. Now, can you see onto the monitor screen? There is written something. Can you read it? Read that one?
Yes. Tell me which is the input devices.
Okay, you have to tell me the one option out of the four. Which one is the correct one for the input device? Okay, which one is the input device? Option A is printer. Option B is plotter. Option C is scanner. Option D is monitor. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, tell me which one of these four options is the correct one for the input device. Or in other words, right, which one is the input device?
Plotter, sir.
Yes?
Plotter, option B.
Option B. Okay, can I lock it? Are you sure?
Yeah, you can say option B or option C.
No,
Scanner maybe.
one thing, not two things, yeah. First of all, do tell me about, I do ask
Option
you,
C.
another question in the Viva or in the mock exam might be there because of your answer. You did answer. The question arises from your answer that what is meant by the input device? How can you recognize one device and you call it that one is the input device? Yes.
What, like you mean to say, what do we mean by input device?
Yes.
Which we use to enter like a data in the computer, a value or something.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal.
Yes.
I am giving you a lifeline over there. You have friends with you over there. Mr. Muhammad Zubair is there. All right. Muhammad Temur is there. Or Muhammad Faizan is there. A number of friends are there. Okay.
Yes.
Whom you want to have as your lifeline over here. He will give you a company and answer on behalf of you. Okay. Mr. Muhammad Zubair is there. Can I call him, connect him as a lifeline for you?
For sure, sir.
Okay. Mr. Muhammad Zubair.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Muhammad Zubair. And you have now become a lifeline of, for the Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. He is from Palestine, you know. And
Yes, sir.
right now, my dear, the question is before you. Help him in answering which option is correct for the input device.
Uh, I think plotter is right answer, sir.
No, sir. It's option C, I think so. Scanner.
I think so.
So can
Mr. Ibrahim Bilal had taken some lifeline from the internet as well over there right now. Okay, he
No,
has
I
taken.
didn't. But I was checking the meaning of plotter. I thought.
Plotter, now do tell me. Okay. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, your answer is, I do tell you, your answer is scanner. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, you are there with me.
Yes.
Do you want to go on, proceed to the next question? Very easy
Yes,
question. Very easy question
for
for
sure.
you. Very easy question. Okay. My dear, do read the question over there.
Tell me which one is output device.
Okay, option A is mouse. Option B is plotter. Option C is scanner. Option D is joystick. Which one is the output device?
I don't know what does joystick mean, so I will go with plotter.
Joystick, you play the game. When you play the game onto the computer or live connected onto the internet, and you can play the games live. It is a stick over there that you can
Yeah.
handle with
I
your
got
hand
it.
and
I got it.
move your move to the right or left. That is the joystick.
Yeah, I got it.
Which
I'll
one
go
is
with option B.
okay, Mr. Can I lock that one? Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal from Palestine. Your answer is correct. Now, another question before you. Read it out. Read yaar. Ibrahim Bilal.
Yes, sir. Tell me
Read.
which one is volatile memory.
Tell me which one is the volatile memory. And the option is here A, hard disk. Option B is USB. And option C is RAM. And option D is ROM. Which one is the correct option for the volatile memory? No, it is.
Option C.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now the last question to you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. All right?
Yes, sir.
That one you read from the screen.
Tell me which one is non-volatile memory.
And the option A is hard disk. Option B is USB. Option C is RAM. And the option D is both A and B options.
It
Which
must
one
be
is?
RAM.
Yes. Non-volatile memory.
Just a minute.
No, yeah. Only 3 seconds are there. Tell me, which option is the correct one?
Maybe USB.
USB?
Sir, can I help him?
No. If he will ask you, okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, do you want to have the lifeline of Mr. Muhammad Zubair?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Zubair will help you. Okay, Mr. Muhammad Zubair, become a lifeline for Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Answer me.
Ibrahim, bro. I think, sir, it's a D. D option is right, sir.
Okay, now your answer is correct. Okay, mashallah, the students are still joining us, and I'm about to move to the next. Okay, my dear, I now mute all and come to Mr. Muhammad Zubair. Mr. Muhammad Zubair, right now you are live over here. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Zubair, Muhammad Zubair, do you want to take part in the contest over here in the mock exam?
Yes, sir.
Now I can proceed with your permission.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. My dear, tell me which one is the abbreviation of BIOS? Okay, option A is base in-out system. Option B is basic input-output software. Option C is basic input-output system. And option D is both A and B. Which one is the correct one? Okay,
Yes, sir.
tell me, do you
Sir.
have some cows there around you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you at home or in nearby in the neighborhood?
No, sir, I am in home.
Okay, in your home. It will be good, yaar.
Yes.
Inshallah, I may make a request live over here, and
Yes, sir.
just
Okay.
you will
Yes.
invite me. I will come over there and will enjoy the pure milk from your cow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and it will be
Yes, sir.
served by you.
ठीक है, sir. Okay.
Okay, which is the correct option over here?
I think, sir, D option correct, sir.
Okay, do you wanna use the lifeline over here?
Yes, sir.
Which one? The students are there. You can see over there. Mr. Haris is there, and Mr. Fazan is there. Which of the
Yes.
student you wanna? Mr.
Sir,
Bilal
Muhammad
is there.
Fazan.
Okay, Muhammad Fazan. Assalamu alaikum, Fazan. Muhammad Fazan.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Beta, now you have become a lifeline for Mr. Muhammad Zubair. Do you want to give a company to Mr. Muhammad Zubair over here?
Yes, sir. I try my best.
Okay, you are welcome in the mock exam over here. This one is the question before you. Abbreviation of BIOS and 4 options are there. Which one is the correct one?
Sir, option D, I think so.
Okay, you also went wrong over there. Okay,
Option A, sorry. Option A.
option A. Okay, do you want to use another lifeline over here? Okay, Bilawal Mahmood. Mr. Bilawal Mahmood.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, beta. You are live now.
Walaikum as- Yes, sir. Walaikum assalam.
Okay, my dear. You are selected over here to give the answer.
Yes, sir.
Which one is the correct option for the BIOS abbreviation?
C option, sir.
Okay, option C. Okay, can I log that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are sure. Mr. Bilawal had been there with us, and okay, what happened there? Okay, Mr. Bilawal. Okay, now, okay, my dear, Mr. Bilawal, I do connect you again over there. I do see Mr. Who is there? Muhammad Sudais. Beta, assalamu alaikum. You are live now. Muhammad Sudais, do not touch your mic over there. It is in my hand. All right? And I'm going to connect you live. Okay, Mr. We could not connect to Mr. Sudais, and we do our best to connect Mr. Okay, Mr. Hamid Ali. Assalamu alaikum, beta.
Walaikum salam, sir.
Beta, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Now, tell me which one is the prime number in the following list. The option A is 16, option B is 22, option C is 3, option D is 94. Answer.
Three C, sir.
Can
Option C.
you justify how this answer is the option C? Tell me why.
सर जो खुद पे डिवाइड हो जाए और किसी और पे ना हो.
That is, in English, can you say? Okay, I do say for you on behalf of you. Any number that can be divisible by itself other than 1.
No,
Right?
no, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any number that can be divided by itself and cannot
And
be
other than
divisible,
no.
cannot be divided by other numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Half of your answer was over there in the definition of the prime number. You did not elicitate the second half of the answer. All right. Now,
Yes,
your
sir.
answer is correct, my dear. My dear, tell me your complete name. Your complete name.
Hamid Ali.
Mr. Hamid Ali, you are there with us. All right. Another
Yes,
question
sir.
is before you. Onto the screen. Read it out. Read it. Okay, one thing is there. If you are not helping,
Feb-
you read it.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Fibonacci numbers.
Okay. What is written over there?
Sir, Fibonacci numbers began with
Okay, the option A is 1, option B is 5, option C is 2, and option D is 0. which one is the correct option here? I'm looking at you. Fibonacci numbers begin with which number? Which option is the correct one?
Sir, option C.
Okay. Do you want to use a lifeline over here? Students are Taimur is there, Muhammad Azim is there, Zain is there, you know. Onto the screen, you can see and watch who are the students there before you. Whom you want to connect here, whom you want to take as a lifeline over there. Give me within 5 seconds.
Sir, 1. Option 1.
Option 1 is there. Do you wanna take the help of your fellows for the answer? Lifeline means take a company of your any one of your friend. You can see watch onto the screen. A number of your friends are there. Okay, do you wanna take the help of Mr. Zubair? Hamid Ali, beta, do you want to take the help of Mr. Muhammad Zubair for the answer? Okay. Mr. Muhammad Zubair,
Yes, sir.
I have chosen you myself. Which one is the correct option for the Fibonacci numbers that begin with Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series begins with which number?
0, sir. D option.
Okay, your answer is correct. Now you both are there. Okay, Mr. Hamid Ali and Mr. Zubair is there. You both will be connected to me, all right? In
Yes,
this
sir.
mock exam. Okay, Mr. Hamid Ali, you are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Read whatever is written before you onto the screen. Yeah, what is written onto the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Tell me
Hamid
which
Ali,
one of
huh,
tell me which of the following is a Fibonacci number.
Fibonacci number.
Yes, sir.
Which
Fibonacci
is
number.
the following? Which of the following is the Fibonacci number?
Fibonacci number.
Okay, the option A is 8. Option B is 4. Option C is 6. And the option D is 12. And it is a different question that I have posed to the section D. Tell me the answer. You both can conversate.
Sir,
Talk to each
option A.
other. Option A,
Sir,
Mr.
option A.
Option A. Who is saying option A? Mr. Hamid
Hamid
Ali
Ali.
and other
Yes, sir.
student. Who is other? Two students are talking right now. One is Hamid Ali and other one I did choose Mr. Muhammad Zubair.
Yes, sir. A option.
Okay, option A is there, all right? And your answer is correct. Now for the next question, I do connect Mr. Muhammad Faizan. Beta Muhammad Faizan, are you there? Okay, we did try earlier on to connect Mr. Faizan, but we could not connect him. What is the reason why there? And he is live over here, but okay, Mr. Bilawal Mahmood. Beta, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Beta, before you onto the screen, a question is written.
Yes, sir.
Read that question.
Fibonacci number 8 occurs in the Fibonacci list at the following place.
The option A is the Fibonacci number 8 occurs at the first position. All right. Option B is Fibonacci number 8 occurs at 7th place. Or option C is Fibonacci number 8 occurs at the 6th place. And option D is for Fibonacci number 8 occurs at the 2nd place. Which option is the correct one?
Sir, B.
What is?
B.
B. Okay, your answer is B. All right. I wanted to connect you. Yes. All right. Mr. Bilawal is there with us. Beta Bilawal, dear.
Yes, sir.
Now, before you onto the screen, a C++ statement is there.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is a C++ statement to declare a variable. Over here, a variable has been declared. All right. By this C++ statement. All right. And second statement is the for loop statement is there. All right. In the for loop statement, initialization statement is there, and the condition statement is there, and the increment statement is there. Now, Bilawal Mahmood, question to you: how many loops will occur? How many loops will it occur?
Sir, 3.
Do you want to have the lifeline? Do you want to use a lifeline or want to
Yes, sir.
go ahead? If you will go ahead, negative marks will be there.
Yes, sir, I will use the lifeline.
All right. Today I am giving an option. Whom you want to connect? Mr. Muhammad Zubair is there. Other people are there. Hassan is there. Mayala, recently connected people are there. Whom you want to connect over here?
Tamur Beg.
Taimur Babar. All right. Okay, Mr. Taimur Babar. Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Taimur, can you listen me over here? You are live now. Mr. Taimur, we are not helping to listen you here. Okay. Can I use a lifeline for you, Muhammad Zubair, in place of Mr. Taimur? Because we could not connect him. Okay. Mr. Muhammad Zubair.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give Mr. Bilawal a company there and do tell me how many loops will it occur? The two statements are there. Loop variable declaration statement is there and the for loop statement is there. You will have to tell me how many loops will it occur.
Sir, 4 loops sir occur होंगे.
4 loops. All right. Okay, 4 loops are there. All right. Option A was 2, option B was 4, option C was 3, and option D was 10. And which of the following option you are choosing here?
B option.
B. All right. Okay, Mr. Zubair. Okay, Mr. Zubair, if you don't
Yes,
mind,
sir.
over there, okay, it is a mock exam going on, just like a Viva over there or a mock exam is going on, all right? I
Yes.
want to take you over here, all right? Further, Do you want to go on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Over here, my dear, Mr. Zubair. Zubair, a
Yes,
loop,
sir.
we have declared over here a loop variable named I. All right? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
And then a for loop statement is there. You will
Yes.
have to think over these two statements that are the for loop declaration statement, and then you will have to think of whatever the initialization statement is there, whatever is the condition statement is there, whatever the increment or decrement statement is there. All right? And you will have to tell me how many loops will it occur. I'm giving you 1 minute. Option A is 2, option B is 4, option C is 0, option D is 5.
Option C, sir.
Option C, mashallah, very genius.
The condition false हो जाएगी.
Okay, condition false हो जाएगी. I do appreciate Mr. Zubair. All right. Mr. Zubair, I do want to
Yes,
tell
sir.
all of my students over here how much I am enjoying you, and I'm how much I am happy over there. I cannot tell you. For the
Thank
last
you, sir.
1 month, I could not help myself become happy. Okay,
Yeah.
it is
Yes.
you and you. It is you. You made me happy over there. All right.
Thank you, sir. ji. Thank you, sir. ji.
Okay, and it is the option. And again, I do clap for you.
Thank you, sir. ji.
For all the students who are right now connected in the online lecture over here, that is the mock exam going on. My dear, all of you, as your brother, as your class fellow has told you, Mr. Muhammad Zubair told us that in the condition if we see over here, I less than equals 9. I has been initialized with 10. If we look at the condition is false over there. All right? No loop will occur. It means 0 loop will occur. No loop will occur. Okay, Mr. Muhammad Zubair.
Yes, sir.
Now, another question before you. Do tell me the answer. How many loops will it occur? Option A is 3, option B is 4, option C is infinite, option D is 5.
Infinite, sir.
Okay, I don't know yaar, what to say to you, yaar. I wanna जादू की जफी. I wanna मैं आपके साथ चाहता हूँ. So inshallah we shall meet. Inshallah, I will see you.
Inshallah, sir.
Okay, your answer has become source of happiness for me.
Thank you.
Okay, that is infinite. All right, I'm
Yes.
very happy with you. Now you can see, watch onto the screen, my dear. How many loops will it occur? 3, 4, infinite, or 2? First, do listen me.
2, sir. ji.
Okay, 2. It means option D is there. Okay, if I help you, I has been initialized with 10. Do write it onto your notebook. Do write it onto your notebook. Do you have the notebook with you? Pencil?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the notebook and pencil? I has been initialized in the
Yes,
for
sir.
loop with 10. Do write 10.
Okay, sir.
Tell me the condition is true.
Yes, sir. True.
And I minus minus means subtract 1 from I. Means 10 minus 1. Do 10 minus 1. What next number will come?
9, sir.
Okay, do write 9.
Okay.
And then your 9 is there. Do look at the condition, whether the condition is true. I's value is right now 9. Tell
Yes,
me the condition is true or false.
sir. True, sir.
Okay, if this one is true, then go on
Yes.
to the increment statement or decrement statement over there.
Yes.
Subtract 1 from I, that is 9. Subtract
8,
1 from 9, what will come?
8.
Do write 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and do check right now the condition over there.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
Condition is true.
Yes,
All right. Then you proceed to the decrement statement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you will not write it unless the condition is true. All right.
Yes.
Whatever do tell me what is the current value of I is there.
7, sir.
Oh, no. Current value was 8 over there.
ओके सर मैंने वो कम कर दिया था
Okay, do not write it 7 over there. All right. First of all, check the
Okay, sir.
condition. First of all, check the condition. If the condition is true, then you will write. Okay. 7 is there. You did not write over there over 7. All right. Check the condition.
Yes.
Check the condition. 7 is greater than 8.
नो सर
Condition is true or false? You will
False,
not
sir.
write. You will not write 7. Tell me
Okay, sir.
how many numbers you have written over there.
3 सर
Then you tell me how many loops will it occur.
3 सर ऑप्शन
Okay, I did help you on behalf of your answers over there. All right. Option
Yes.
A is the correct one. All right.
यस
But over here, do tell me speedily. What is the output for this one? Mashallah, your house has become a zoo over there, yeah. Birds are there, crows are there, cows are there, and you is there. You are also there.
यस
Okay. Tell me the output. What will be the output for this program?
आउटपुट सर 6 आएगी
Output. What? Okay. See out means print, display. Whatever the value of I will be there, that will be printed.
यस सर ये 0 1 2 3 4 5 तक
Okay.
प्रिंट हो जाएगी
0, 1, 2.
2 3 4 5
Okay. This one
Sir,
will be the output. This one will be the output. Okay. Your answer is okay. Correct, my dear. Okay. Now, Mr. Zubair, admin over there with us. Okay. All of you, my dear students, I would like to pay thanks to all of you joining me over there in the mock exam. And I do tell all of you to connect me the same way as you have connected me earlier on. You know, I did give you an ID and password because of onto the slate. There was a problem. We could not connect to the slate. And that's the reason why I did tell you the ID and password to connect to the Zoom. All right. and Mr. Faizan.
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा, आप सबने इसी तरीके से कनेक्ट करने हैं. मैंने आईडी पासवर्ड दिए हैं तो आपने कनेक्ट करना है, ठीक है.
Okay,
लेकिन
sir.